Hi everyone, welcome back to my trading view. Let's do a small analysis about Nifty. Um, what is the current status of Nifty? Okay, so from the chart, my analysis is purely based on supply and demand zone. So at the moment, we are looking into a monthly chart, and what we see here is like after the major fall from here, if we see where the market has landed, it is purely on an this is a continuation pattern and this is the zone. So over here Nifty, after a major fall, it landed exactly over the monthly demand zone and it has bounced. So as per that, we can't say at the moment, we cannot say it's in uptrend or downtrend. So based on the supply and demand zone, 17104 is the monthly resistance actually. So after a huge upward rally, this is the first time market has started its correction. First time it came to the monthly demand zone and it has bounced. So ultimately the next resistance, it will be around 17104 to approximately 17387 on a monthly time frame. Okay. So this is the monthly view. Let's move into weekly demand zone. So weekly time frame. And even here, if we see exactly, even here market, the fall which has got arrested on an weekly demand zone. Okay, so what will happen based on this? If we see here, these are all not a major fall over here, and it is a weak buy zone, sorry, weak sell zone. These are the weak sell zones. So based on that, what is the immediate resistance? If we see over here, if you see, this is a flip zone. Okay, at the moment, following the correction, it is following the major fall from top, it is just the bounce, we can call it as a correction. So if we need a clear uptrend, we need a strong close above, you can say, okay, we need a strong close at least above 17192, because this is where the first time market has breached the weekly demand zone. So for any further upside rally, we need a strong closing above this area. So at the moment, what we can see it as we can consider only it as a minor correction for the fall which has happened. So any I hope based on this, like we may not see a crash below this level until unless there is a major news or something kind of. If Nifty breaches this level with a strong red candle, then only we could see the next possible level. It can be around this area. So these can be the weekly key next demand zone where the fall can be arrested. Okay, or else even here you can extend this range supply zone. So market can, we cannot say like exactly it will breach this area because this is a huge this is where the distribution happened before breaking this zone. So this area will also be act as a major supply zone, and hence market can move within this range. So the upcoming days, the trend, it can be like based on tomorrow, if it sustains this range. Okay, this will act as a huge resistance for upcoming week. So once if we get a strong closing above this range, then immediately we can see next Nifty's target as 17192 and until 1719794. This could be the range on the upside. Okay, so these are the key levels for Nifty at the moment for the coming week. So based on if we happen to see a gap up and if it is breaching this area, then immediately we can see Nifty to go to this range, and it can be, for the moment it will be sell and rise. There is no clear uptrend actually. Once it reaches 17192 range, again we will see a sell off, and again market will try to bounce back to this level. So this could be the range. And if we happen to see a gap down tomorrow and if it is not breaching this area, there is a high probability for Nifty to travel back to this range in the coming week. So these are the key supply and demand zones for Nifty actually. This is based on weekly, and again if you move back to daily and a daily chart. So here based on candlestick, if you see, this is the major fall where it happened, like major demand zone was broken with heavy red, I mean bearish candle. It went for retracement, it came to the next range. So if we need a bull trend to continue, we need at least strong daily candle close above 16757. Okay, so this is a key level for tomorrow, and this will act as a huge resistance for tomorrow since it is an open equal to high also. We need a strong closing above this for Nifty to travel further up based on daily time frame. Okay, and as we see these this is nothing but like this is the bearish momentum. We have a strong rejection from here and it bounced back with full bullish power, and if we want the trend to continue, we need a candle closing above this, and hence what will happen, it will be in bullish engulfing. So we can confirm uh, bull trend can continue if we get a strong closing above this, or at least above 17. Okay, this could be the range 16723. Okay, 16723, 16723 to 16768. This could be the major resistance for upcoming days, like for the next week. Okay, if we get a strong closing above this range, then only we can see the momentum to continue over here. If not, if there is a rejection from this level, we can see the immediate levels as 16345, and if we get a close below this range, and we will see the next successive ranges for the week. So first target it could be 16345, and again if the bears come in full action, we can see the next range it could be around 16013. Okay guys, so this is the minor analysis for Nifty actually. So this can be the right time for option writers to take an opportunity, because market is in, there is a huge battle between the bears and the bulls to take out the levels. So there you can expect, since the global news also has cooled down, we may not see huge rally either upside or downside. There will be like a sideways movement in this area. Okay, sideways movement in this area. So option writers can make use of this opportunity to grab what maximum they might grab maximum what they can do. Okay, so this is the analysis for Nifty for the coming week, and I'll post another video, post another views analysis for Bank Nifty. Okay, guys, thank you. And if you have any queries, kindly post in the comments below.